Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Lords.
Another landmark in the road back to normality. The crowds arriving for England's first home fixture at Lords since the summer of 2019. COVID, of course, got in the way last year. But what's the score for England generally? On the PM's roadmap, there's just 19 days left until the ending of COVID restrictions. But speaking after this impromptu lesson in the Downing Street garden, he had these measured words.
I can see nothing in the data at the moment that means we can't go ahead with step 4 or the opening on June the 21st, but we've got to be so cautious. The best the scientists can say at the moment in their guidance to us is that we just need to give it a little bit longer. And I'm sorry that's frustrating for people. I know that people want a clear answer about the way ahead for June the 21st, but at the moment we just got to wait a little bit longer.
Today we learned 3/4 of UK adults have received their first COVID jab. And there was another new key piece of data. Deaths involving COVID in England and Wales are at their lowest since last autumn. In the week ending May the 21st, there were 9,860 deaths from all causes. Of these, 107 deaths had novel coronavirus mentioned on the death certificate. That percentage means COVID accounts for just over 1% of all deaths, which is the lowest since last September. Speaking this afternoon in Oxford at the home of the world-famous jab, the Health Secretary stressed the government will be crunching the numbers for several more days yet.
We've still got more than a week's worth of data to look at. We're looking every day at that data, both at the number of cases, but critically the flow-through into how many people end up in hospital. We know the vaccines work. The question is the degree to which they work.
Social distancing means there was only a quarter of the usual capacity at Lords. In stadiums and other venues across England, they're watching and waiting for a decision.